welcome to my channel. I am Ash, Ashley, Ginger, whatever you want to call me. Today's video is actually my final video in my declutter series. Technically the decluttering is all done. This is just how I organize the much smaller makeup collection that I have. I got an Alex drawer, different Alex drawer from IKEA, painstakingly built it, and then I filled it all with my makeup, and it is so much better for me. It's a system that works for me, and I am super happy with it. And I'm super happy with a much smaller collection because I feel so much better about just everything. Like, it's easier for me to see what I have, what I should use, and all that jazz. So if you're interested to see how I organize, I don't think I talked much through it, so I'll probably throw up music, but if you have any questions, leave them down below. But, you know, here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna start organizing, and I kind of mapped out where I want things to go. So let's see if that would actually work. I am gonna start top drawer, blush, bronze, contour, highlight. I think that could work. If I don't end up talking a lot in this, it's just because I am trying to get through this quickly because it's taken me all day to do this.
Divine, and I lost myself within the fire.
This isn't gonna work. I'm gonna have to put all this in one of the bigger drawers.
A heart of gold forged you to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
Moving on, I think up here I'm gonna do powders, foundation, concealers, and since I don't have too much of all that, I'm going to probably add something else to it. I think the rest is going to be, man, this is hard. I think I'm gonna put single shadows, liners, glitters. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold so pure.
Maybe now that I think about it, I'm gonna take these out and arrange everything that I just pulled out.
In the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
That's pretty organized for now. I'm just really confused on what I'm doing with the rest. I feel like I don't have enough complexion to put in here, so I'm thinking it's gonna be my lash drawer. Lashes. So this drawer is gonna be my lashes, and I have this little tin that I hold glues in. These are my extra glues. I'm going to do the rest of my lashes and then my nail supply. I think that's what I'm doing. Alright, I think that covers this drawer. So I have 3 more drawers to kind of figure out. I still have space in this one. I need to figure out where I'm putting my complexion, which would probably go in here with a mix of other things. Sure. I think I want to do something different with lips. Yeah, lips will be something separate. You know what? I'm gonna put some palettes in here. How about that? I must say, I got rid of so many palettes, and it feels so good to have so many gone. That's it for that. This last drawer will be palettes also, so I'm only gonna have a few out on display. So this bottom drawer is going to house all my new product, stuff that I haven't tried yet, backups and all that jazz. So I have some palettes that I haven't used yet, so I'm going to throw them right in here. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly organize this. That is all my new makeup. I actually have an Ulta bag that I need to empty, but it's not just like 4 products, so not that big of a deal. And I think that pretty much sums up my organization. It may change as I get used to this new setup. Still not sold on this drawer, but it is what it is. Not quite sure if I like the order of everything, but I like that everything now is in one unit instead of 2 separate ones. Obviously, I still have a ton of room. I might throw liners in here. Haven't decided yet. But yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna get ready and do my outro. But that wraps up my decluttering for this year. As I stated before, I am much happier with my much smaller collection. It's still pretty large, but it's more manageable, and I'm not holding on to things that or too old to use. But a smaller collection also means that you can buy more because you have more room. But I'm on a no buy currently, so can't do that. I want to thank you guys for watching. I will probably do maybe another declutter at the end of the year, just to sort of wrap it up. Do like a 6-month thing. I doubt I'll add too much more makeup to my collection, but we'll see. Never say never, but you never know. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you like seeing my face, my content. I don't know how to end these things. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye!